Hills don't have to be intimidating. Whether you're training for a hilly race or simply want to get stronger, Run Rock Run can help you improve endurance, speed, and power, all without getting burnout. Hi, I'm Ralph, and welcome to the Ageless Runner. I'm all about helping you have a fun, safe, and healthy running life. I'm so glad you're here today. Now, in this video today, using Run Rock Run in hill repeats, we're going to cover three things. First one is, why do we want to do hill repeats? What's the advantage of those things? Number two is, how do we use Run Rock Run when we do hill repeats? And the third thing is, I'm going to give you three structured hill workouts you can use depending on your goals and what you want to achieve in your running life. Now, there's really four reasons why runners, especially advanced runners, should be doing hill repeats. The first one is it helps improve running economy. When we run up a hill, we engage all of our leg muscles, our glutes, our quads, our calves. Strengthening those improves our running economy that makes us run more efficiently when we're running on flat, level ground. The second reason is it builds strength and power. Again, running uphill is kind of like doing resistance training of your legs. You can do resistance training of your legs by doing squats and lunges and things like that. The hill repeats does the same thing, so it's going to make your legs stronger. Now, third reason is running hills improves our speed and endurance. Doing that hard work, those hard hills, doing that hard anaerobic running helps increase our VO2 max. When we do that, we become a more efficient runner. We can run faster for longer by having that higher VO2 max. Now, the final reason hills help us is helps us get ready for race day. Maybe you're running a hilly course, in which case you really want to do some hill repeats. If you're not doing a hilly course, it helps make you a stronger, better runner, as we've already talked about. So it really helps prepare you for race day. So why do we do Run Rock Run and hill repeats? Is a lot of the reasons why we do Run Rock Run even when we're not running hills. Number one reason, helps reduce fatigue and burnout. Continuous hill running can be exhausting. It really tires us out. But when we get those structured walk breaks in there, get that recovery, we can do our hill repeats more intensely, more efficiently, and just get more benefit without getting burnt out. The second reason doing Run Rock Run in hill repeats, it helps improve our form. We all know that if we get really tired, our form kind of goes to pot. It goes, diminishes. Again, taking those walk breaks, it allows us to do those hill repeats and maintain proper form. And the third reason Run Rock Run is important in hill repeats is to minimize that injury. Hill repeats are very impactful, especially on our Achilles tendon and on our knees. Taking those walk breaks allows that recovery, minimize the risk of injuring our knee or our Achilles tendon or our feet. And the last reason we do Run Rock Run is to help improve our pacing, to have more efficient pacing. So many runners charge uphill too fast and get burnt out. Again, teaching ourselves to take structured walk breaks. And we'll talk about one workout here shortly where we want to take a walk break while we're running up the hill. Again, that teaches efficient pacing, helps control our effort so we don't, again, get burnt out and maybe risk an injury. So let's talk about three hill workouts you could use depending on your goals and what you're training for. Now, the first workout is if you really want to increase your strength and your power. Now, here you want kind of a modest hill, about a 5% grade. What does 5% mean? Well, if you run 100 meters or 100 feet and you go up 5 feet or 5 meters, 5 divided by 100 is 5%. That's a 5% grade. So you want it long enough you could maybe run 60 seconds. So you run 60 seconds up the hill, turn around and walk back for recovery. Again, take that gradual walk. I do not recommend you run back down. I recommend you walk, get sufficient recovery. Do that 6 to 10 times. Now, the second is for long, sustained hills to improve your endurance. Now, here you want a little longer hill. It'd be nice if you can find a hill that's like a half a mile to a mile long. And it's a little, maybe not quite as steep as the one I talked about in the first one, maybe more like a 3% grade, no higher than 5%. Now, here you actually want to do Run Rock Run while you're doing the hill. So you would run for 4 minutes, walk for 1. Run for 4 minutes, walk for 1. Till you get to the top of the hill, again, walk back down. Again, I recommend you walk down, not jog down. That'll give you plenty of time to recover. Now, again, what this helps teach you is that pacing thing I talked about earlier. It teaches you to pace yourself by taking a walk break while you're running up the hill. It teaches pacing so you don't, work too hard going up your hill. Now, here we don't want to do as many hill repeats as we did in the first one. Here we're more about endurance, and it's going to be a long run up a hill. So look at maybe doing this 2 to 4 times. Now, the third program is rolling hill simulation. A lot of courses, a lot of runs could have rolling hills. I have a trail around here that I like to run that has a lot of rolling, undulating hills. Now, here, this is all about effort. You want to maintain the same effort as you're going up and down these hills and running in flat sections. So here, based on effort, when you're in a flat section, run no more than 5 minutes. But if you're going up a hill, run no more than 4 minutes and work in 30-second to 1 minute walk breaks in there. And when you go from a flat to uphill, keep your effort the same. You may have to slow down your pace a little bit. Keep your effort the same. This will teach you to maintain the same effort. So again, so you don't get overtired, leveraging the run, walk, run to maintain your energy level and your fatigue. So remember, mastering hills isn't just about strength, it's also about strategy, and that strategy is run, walk, run. Control your effort, make sure you get sufficient recovery breaks, and do those hill repeats. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please scroll down and hit the like icon. And if you're new here, I'd love to have you stick around. I'd love to talk to you more often about running tips and hints. Please hit that subscribe button also. Thank you so much for being here. Stay strong, stay healthy, and happy running.